I saw this property that they are building on right here in Centenary City. Today promises to be an exciting and productive day in my life. So this is a mini vlog of how I spent my day as a realtor. So join me as I'm going to be visiting some stunning properties in Centenary City to ensure that they meet our high standards. I'm also going to be checking a client's ongoing building project to see his dream home take shape and also collect an important document for another client. Now, each stop is a chance to make someone's real estate dreams come true. So join me in this amazing journey. And lastly, my driver, Mrs. Ogutuku, is a vibe. I mean, she played amazing music from beginning to end, and I love how she does her work. I'm so excited! Oh my God! I did this. I saw this property that they are building on right here in Centenary City. And this one is currently for sale. This is a 500 square meter plot here in Centenary City. That is Almond Garden Estate. Alright. Now I sold that for 35 million naira, but today this is selling for 46 million naira. This is to show you how the prices of property in Centenary City increases. Life of a realtor. So I am inside Centenary City. Now all these places are for sale. So I came to check them out and know which is going to be suitable for my audience and for my clients who are interested in buying into Centenary City. So that guy there is the one in charge of this whole area. So he's the one that is going to show me everything I need to know here. I am so excited to show you these bungalow plots for sale in Centenary City. Okay, so behind me is a 4-bedroom duplex. Look at this, in Almond Garden Estate. This is the BQ. This is the BQ at the back. Whew. This is it. Mama, life financial noise. My hand is spelling me. I've been holding this for over 2 hours now.